everyone, Jen here from At Home with Jen, and I'm going to show you today how you can sign up with Young Living. So this is great if you want to sign up and just not sure how to work that whole order form thing, or if you have already a member and you want to help a friend sign up. Stay tuned, I'm going to walk you through how to do just that. All right, I'm so excited you are ready to get going with Young Living. So let's head to the internet and I'm gonna show you how to actually sign up. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go to youngliving.com. You're probably gonna see this screen, so just go ahead and choose your country and then it will come to the screen. It may go right to the screen, it just depends. So, oops, let me log out first. Okay, so on the top, you're going to have a little button that says Become a Member. So that's what you wanna click on. So you click on that, and then you have two choices. You have retail customer or you have member. So if you choose retail, you're gonna pay full price for everything, and it's not really that great of a deal. So I really would recommend becoming a member. You're gonna save 24% on everything. You're gonna get options to get free oils. You're gonna get an option for a great shipping discount. So I would definitely become the member because you get a little bit more perks for that. So you see on the bottom here, there's a sponsor ID and enroller ID. Now, if you came from one of my links, these would populate with my number. If you are trying to sign somebody up underneath you, then you want to put your number in there. If you don't have anybody, I would love it if you would just use the link below and it'll fill in my numbers and you will be on my team. But in any case, just put in the number and it's going to ask you to confirm that that is correct, that that's the number that you want to use. So just hit continue and then you get to the fun page, and this is the page you get to go shopping and choose your kits. So you'll see the first tab here has got the 4 basic kits that are most popular. Then the second tab is our specialty kits. So if you're looking for one of the makeup kits or the Thieves kit or the Ninja Ride kit, that's where you would go. And then the third tab has basic kits, which is just your the $45 become a basic member, and you just get a bottle of Stress Away and some samples. So more than likely you're coming here, you want to do a premium starter kit because that is like the best deal. You're going to get 12 oils, the samples of the Thieves household cleaner, the samples of the Ninja Red and the diffuser for $165. So you get to choose. You'll see that the first two at the $165 price point is the Desert Mist and the Dewdrop, both excellent diffusers. But if you have a little bit of budget, the next ones up is the Rainstone and the Aria, and both of those are really nice premium diffusers. So I really like my Aria. It looks beautiful. It works awesome. So I would recommend that if you have the budget. If not, the Desert Mist is still an awesome diffuser. So once you pick whichever one you want to do, you want to decide if you want to enroll in Essential Rewards. So I would definitely recommend it. It is a great monthly program. You get to choose whatever products you want to be shipped to you every month. You are not tied into it for any amount of time. So if you only do it for a month or two and you decide it's not for you, you can quit it. There's no penalty or anything for it. But the best thing is that you can earn free oils every month depending on how much you spend. You can get enrolled in our YL Go, which is going to save you a lot on shipping. It's kind of like an Amazon Prime shipping deal. And I just love it because you get points back. So whatever you purchase, you will get either between 10 and 25% back, depending on how long you're on the program. I've been on it for a couple years now, so I'm at the highest point. I get 25% back in points every month. It's an awesome program because I'll get like hundreds of dollars of stuff for free using my points. So if you want to use your starter kit as your first Essential Rewards order, you click this button and then you want to skip step 2. So the other option is if you wanted to add in more product, you could set up your monthly order this way. So what you would do is you would come into this section here and you would pick your kit and you'd have to customize your monthly order. So, you know, one of the things I always recommend everyone getting is some household cleaner because it is just like the bomb. The stuff is awesome. It'll save you money because you can get rid of like half the stuff in your cleaning cabinet. And it just works wonderful and it's non-toxic. So I would recommend that. And you do have, if you do this method where you're adding on some your monthly rewards, you do have to have at least $50 worth of items in this section. So, you know, another thing is really great is to get the 2-pack of Ninja Red. So let's see here, the 2-pack right there. Boom. I'm good. I'm going to get free oils now, and I'm going to get 10% back on all the stuff I'm purchasing. So you just save your monthly order, and then you keep continuing down the screen, and you just hit confirm that yes, you want the monthly order. This box you will need to confirm if you do either just step 1, where it's just your starter kit as essential rewards, or if you do the optional step 2 where you add in more product. You're gonna have to check that box. If you wanted to, if you didn't add product in the step 2, you can go down here and add more product that way too. So obviously we have a ton of stuff to look through. We have, you know, our makeup, we've got our household cleaners, you've got your beauty stuff, and then of course essential oils too. So then all you gotta do is hit next. This screen is all your information. It's pretty simple. It's just your address, your name. You do want to put in here in the sign up information, you need to put in a username. I usually would recommend using your email address. It's just easier to remember that way. And then obviously pick out a password and a 4-digit PIN number. You will need these to, when you call into Young Living, if you have to change anything on your account, you will need both of those pieces of information. So you want to make sure that you remember what they are. The 4-digit PIN, I usually tell my clients that if you don't have a 4-digit PIN number that you like already, then just choose like the last 4 digits of your phone number because it's easy to remember. That is up to you. So the next one is based on a commission. So when you do become a member of Young Living, you have the option of selling it. It is completely optional. You don't have to, but if you do want to, then you want to sign up with your social security number, which would be this one. If you aren't sure, or you know if definitely you're not going to, then just sign up as an individual and you don't need to add anything else. If you already have a business license or a business tax ID, then you can choose the business option. Again, completely optional. It's a great way to earn an extra little bit of money if you want to, but it is completely optional. And then the last one is the terms and conditions. You can click on all of these to read them all of the policies and all that good stuff. And then once you've read them all, you can just click that little button and hit agree and continue. I'm not actually going to hit that because I didn't fill it out. But the next screen is just choose what shipping method you want and add in your payment information. So you can do a credit card, or if you want, you can do PayPal, and PayPal actually has an option where you can pay it over 6 months. So that's kind of nice if you're a little budget strapped and you want to get a kit. You can choose the 6-month payment plan, and then it's just a couple dollars a month to get your oils. So I hope that helps you guys. If you have any questions, comment below with how excited you are to get your kit, and be sure to subscribe and like this video so that you can find out more videos I have of these doing the natural lifestyle and Young Living essential oils. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.